Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to our second annual Get-Together Christmas Party. Medyo na-late lang ang ating pag-start, maybe because ito talagang party natin supposed to be, or no, this is, sabi nga ni Doctor, wag natin tawagin party. This is part of the therapy dun sa gagawin natin. So, this supposed to be therapy yung ito ay hindi na lang pa last week, but because of the coup, so na-postpone ho ito. And I would like to thank you for coming over and para ho mag-grace dito sa occasion na to. Okay, before we start the show, the program, I would like to say something na alam niyo ho ng isang taon, meron ho akong ginawang sort of introduction para sa isang tao. Kaso ho, nagkasakit ho ako, hindi ho nangyari yon. So wala ho akong nasabi na pwede kong i-introduce sa taong ito. So, sabi ko, babawi na lang ako for this year. Ang kaso naman ho, noong December 3, na supposed to be dapat ho talaga, yun ang ating date, nagkaroon naman ho ng coup. So, nakalimutan ko na naman ho yung dapat yung sabihin at dapat ko i-introduce dito sa taong ito. If I'm going to go over dun sa kanyang biodata, siguro ho mga 17 pages yon para lang ho ibigay o malaman ng isang tao kung ano ho ang mga achievements nitong taong ito. Itong taong ito ipakikilala ko sa inyo, kaya dami man ho ng mga awards niya, kaya madami man ho ang kanyang mga achievements, isa lang hong character, isa lang hong trait, ang alam kong hindi nababago sa kanya. At yun ho ang pagkakaalam ng marami sa kanya. Just simply, Dr. Hoson.
Thank you, Beth. May bonus ka na. Okay. Good morning to everybody. Welcome to the second annual Christmas get-together of the Cancer Crusaders Club. Now, to some of you, this will be sort of a reunion. This is for those who have attended the first annual Christmas get-together last year. But the most of you, however, this will be your first time. So for the benefit of the first-timers, I would like to explain what the Cancer Crusaders Club is all about. Simply put, it is a club, and the members are Cancer Crusaders. Okay? Cancer Crusaders, they're crusaders against cancer, meaning they are fighters against cancer. Now, who are these Cancer Crusaders? Ako. I am a Cancer Crusader because I'm fighting against cancer. As a cancer doctor, I'm helping other people with cancers fight against cancer. I'm fighting the cancers in patients with cancer. That makes me a Cancer Crusader. Now, you're also Cancer Crusaders. You're Cancer Crusaders because you're fighting cancers. Three of you present here are ex-cancer patients. There are two things these persons, these Cancer Crusaders, have in common. One, they are fighting against cancer. Second, they are helping other people fight against cancer. So that, in essence, is the Cancer Crusaders Club. Okay? Now, today's gathering is as Beth mentioned, it's not only a Christmas party, but it's also a therapy session for the Cancer Crusaders. We have a very simple program lined up for you, such as introduction of the members of the Cancer Crusaders Club, inspirational talk, some entertainment, some gift giving, then we'll have lunch, and then a group picture taking. The program is very simple, but I can tell you that the objectives are great and far-reaching. Second, it will be a day of sharing experiences. It will be also a day of helping each other. It will be a day to realize that you're not alone in the fight against cancer. It will be also a day to realize that you can help in the fight against cancer. You can help other people fight against cancer. Lastly, it is a day to renew and gather strength in the fight against cancer. Okay? This is the second get-together of the Cancer Crusaders Club. Last year, it was also held in this room, December 4. You saw that on the video. Okay. Now, because of, last year we have about 50. This year we're expecting 100 because of the national problem that we have, the crisis that we had. Probably there was some problem in the transportation and the patients. But I would like to thank those, it's like Isabelita Buena came all over from Chaong, Quezon, and Carlan, okay? And the other Cancer Crusaders who came from the provinces just to attend this get-together. Okay? So I would like to tell you that this will be a tradition. So every year, ngayon this is the second Sunday of December, but we'll put it on the first Sunday of December. Every year, on the first Sunday of December, we will have an annual Christmas get-together. As I said, this is not only a party, it's also a therapy session for all of us. Okay? And this session, this get-together will be courtesy of yours truly and my family. My wife is not around, but she'll be arriving because she just gave birth last Friday. Okay? She'll be arriving later on to join us in the lunch. Okay? So again, welcome to the second annual Christmas get-together of the Cancer Crusaders Club. I hope you enjoy the program and achieve the objectives of this get-together. Merry Christmas to all.
Thank you so much, Dr. Rosa. You know, ang aming witness, so let's go on with the program. Okay, let me introduce those old members who came over last year. Para mo malaman nyo at makilala rin ho kung sino yung mga dumating nung isang taon and until now, nandito pa rin ho. Okay, let's start with Mrs. Gavina Mos. Pwede nyo namang kainin yan. Then Mrs. Natividad Cabadu. Mr. Fidencio Cantara. Mrs. Gloria Jimenez. Then we have Mrs. Janicia Chigono. Our oldest, Mrs. Chidoro. Mrs. Feminjola. Mrs. Conchita Surya. Mr. Arturo